12 needle embroidery machine threading tutorial. First, let's get familiar with the machine. The numbers marked 1 to 12 on each spool pin, corresponding to the needle. Numbers on the tension assembly in front. Step 1. Place the threaded spool onto the spool pin. Pull out the thread end, thread it through the top thread hole. Take the threaded tube corresponding to the needle number. Use the provided wire threader to insert into the tube. Pull it out from the top. Hook the threaded end and pull it back through. Then, snap the threaded tube into its slot. Hold the thread with your right hand. Press lightly on the left side to lift the lever and place the thread in. Insert the thread end from the side of the metal plate. Snap it into the inner slot. Loop the thread into the clamp. Wrap it around the tension disc 1.5 times and bring it up. Hang it into the thread spring tensioner. Bring it round here. Hold the thread with your right hand. Press lightly on the left side to lift the lever and place the thread in. Next, thread it through this hole and pull it out. Go up and thread it through the jumper hole. Come down and thread it through this hole. Then thread it through the needle eye. You can press down to pull out the thread end. The threading is now complete.